So what's the size of the wheels? Can you show that moving, the carriage back there? Can you show all that moving for me? That's the wheel dresser.
That's the wheel dresser.
Does it have a diamond dresser on it, or?
Yeah. Diamonds down here on the nose of the spindle,
right
on the nose of the quill here.
Right. Can you still get parts for this machine?
Oh yeah.
And then can you show me how the other controls operate?
Well, that's pretty much. That's your regulating wheel dresser. So when you're regulating wheel needs truing. Basically, dial this down. There's a diamond on the end of it. All these wheels are sharpened with diamonds. And make sure you crank this.
You move the rags from it.
Crank this thing across, and you got transmission down there. You shift it into high gear, so you got maximum RPM on this, and then
Can you move that rag from me?
this rag.
Yeah. Thanks. Just want to get a clear view of everything. So go ahead, finish explaining.
So basically, when you dress a wheel, you're accomplishing two things, not necessarily with the rag wheel, because it doesn't remove any material.
Okay.
It's just a rolling backing for the work.
Right.
The grinding wheel is what removes all the material.
Right. And how does your work come in there across the? How does it
Well,
work
on
in
this
conjunction
machine,
with that bar there?
With this machine, I'm set up for what they call infeed grinding. In other words, parts with a head on it, but you need to grind the shank.
Yes.
So the part does not go through the machine. It sits right here in one place.
Okay.
And then you bring the handle down, brings the wheels together, grinds the part, lift the handle, take the part out.
Got it.
You got your,
And that's your coolant there, right?
that's coolant.
Okay.
Yeah.
And it's held in place by that bar right there?
That's the work support blade.
Okay.
Holds the part, that part rests on top of that.
Very cool. How long have you had it?